Meta tags are crucial elements in HTML that help search engines understand the content of a web page. They influence how your site appears in search results, impacting visibility and click-through rates. This presentation will explore the basics of meta tags, their types, and their role in effective search engine optimization strategies. Meta tags are essential HTML elements that reside in the head section of a web page. They provide metadata about the page, influencing how search engines interpret and rank it. Key types include title tags, meta descriptions, and keywords, each playing a unique role in enhancing visibility and user engagement. Meta tags are HTML elements located in the head section of a web page, offering essential metadata about your content. Though invisible to visitors, they communicate directly with browsers and search engines. Consider them the backstage crew, ensuring your website functions seamlessly and appears as intended. Meta tags are crucial for shaping your page's appearance in search results, influencing first impressions. They serve as a communication bridge with search engines, clarifying your content's purpose. Effective meta tags enhance click-through rates by crafting engaging previews that attract user interest and boost engagement. Meta tags are essential for search engine optimization, with key types including meta title, description, and keywords. Each serves a unique purpose. Titles capture attention, descriptions summarize content, and keywords enhance search relevance. Understanding these tags helps optimize your website's visibility and effectiveness in search engine results. The meta title tag serves as your digital headline, crucial for capturing attention in search results and browser tabs. It should include main keywords and reflect page content for search engine optimization effectiveness. Keep titles between 45 to 55 characters to avoid truncation. Example: nature photography, Chaque Toi, Triatior, Seattle, Daniel Forest. The meta description tag acts as your digital shop window, offering a concise summary of up to 155 characters beneath your title in search results. Craft unique, compelling descriptions for each page, naturally incorporating target keywords. Use actionable language to create urgency and communicate value, enticing users to click through to your site. Meta keywords once helped search engines rank content, but were abandoned due to abuse. Google stopped using them in 2009. Today, they're largely ignored by major search engines. Though some content management system platforms use them internally, focus on optimizing titles and descriptions for better search engine optimization results. Meta tags, including titles and descriptions, are crucial for search engine optimization and user experience. They guide search engines in understanding page content and influence click-through rates. While meta keywords have lost significance, focusing on well-optimized titles and descriptions can enhance visibility and drive organic traffic, making them essential for effective search engine optimization strategies. Meta titles are crucial for search engine optimization, aiding search engines in understanding page relevance and topic. Although not a direct ranking factor, optimized titles enhance click-through rates, signaling quality to algorithms. Crafting keyword-rich titles can significantly boost organic traffic and visibility in competitive search landscapes. Meta descriptions, while not directly affecting rankings, are vital for boosting click-through rates by 5.8% on average. Despite a 62% rewrite rate by Google, strong descriptions can reduce bounce rates by 35%, enhancing user engagement. Crafting compelling descriptions pre-qualifies audiences, driving qualified traffic and improving user experience. Meta tags are essential for search engine optimization, enhancing visibility and click-through rates. Focus on crafting concise, relevant meta titles and descriptions. Use primary keywords naturally, avoid keyword stuffing, and consider including brand or location context. These practices ensure your content is accurately represented, improving user engagement and search performance. Crafting effective meta titles involves keeping them concise and relevant, ensuring each word serves a purpose. Integrate primary keywords naturally to enhance readability and search performance. Include brand or location context when relevant, but avoid keyword stuffing, as it can harm user experience and search rankings. Use active voice and action verbs like discover or explore to create urgency in meta descriptions. Keep them between 120 to 155 characters to avoid truncation. Ensure descriptions match page content to maintain credibility. Craft unique descriptions for each page to target diverse keywords and audiences effectively. Meta tags, though small, significantly impact SEO and user engagement. By optimizing titles and descriptions, you can boost site traffic, improve click-through rates, and enhance search visibility. Start crafting compelling meta tags today to attract qualified visitors and drive measurable growth. Explore more SEO strategies to maximize your website's potential.